Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Dogecoin Doge generally is a minable coin that most certainly is at present exchanged at $20.4042 per unit, with the market capitalization of $17,543,996 that explicitly makes it a mid-position digital currency. Computerized resources like Dogecoin really have previously turned into the point of convergence of consideration for by and large retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for the most part enormous institutional financial backers who basically see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as an in every practical sense, powerful sort of fence against expansion that takes a genuinely weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which generally is genuinely huge. Subsequently, having basically a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto, all things considered, is essentially an unquestionable requirement for any broker and financial backer who truly needs to truly develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, which truly is very critical. In any case, with it for the most part comes the need to intently basically follow the improvements on the expressed market to grasp what is going on and by and large have some feeling representing things to come in an unpretentious manner. This Dogecoin cost expectation model in every practical sense was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, certainly track down the in every way that really matters, best coins or tokens to put resources into, and in a real sense keep the value been developing, or so they generally thought. In any case, prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost forecast, we might want to truly help you to remember the really fundamental standards of cryptographic money. Exchanging and venture a major way. So how about we center around the Dogecoin market, its exceptionally current standings, as well as the midterm and certainly long-haul cost expectation that certainly depends on the readings of our, for the most part, restrictive crypto instability record CVIX, which is genuinely critical. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin for the most part remains at $20.4042, and this especially specific advanced resource stands firm on the ninth footing in the worldwide digital money positioning. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. For certainly your data, the especially positioning of each and every digital money basically is vigorously dependent on its really current market capitalization and cost, and all things considered is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to in a significant manner. Likewise, to get a very better especially handle of the market circumstance and sort of figure out the especially broad heading of the pattern, or to enroll its non-appearance, it means quite a bit to sort of dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on February 29, the cost of Dogecoin fundamentally remained at $16,582 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 4.4% distinction when contrasted with the kind of current cost. 7 days prior, on February 23, the Dogecoin market essentially remained at $0.8494 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, or so they most certainly thought. As the outcome, the cost in every practical sense moved by 0% corresponding to its current standing. A month prior, on February 1, Dogecoin truly was evaluated at $0.79723, which truly concurred with our cost expectation for that by and large specific period. Contrasted with the current place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 53-58% cost move in an unobtrusive manner. These figures ought to really yield you some knowledge into the sort of current market structure, while our top-to-bottom cost conjecture for the most part depends on the appearances of CVIX. In any case, to basically grasp the especially in general extremely capability of Dogecoin, or any genuinely other cryptographic money so far as that is concerned, it's critical to, in every practical sense, consider the cost variances as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized resource in a kind of large manner. At the point when it fundamentally comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves basically more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its kind of generally speaking prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers amazingly numerous cryptographic money dealers view. Market capitalization as a truly key market to, for the most part, be considered prior to going with exchanging choices. It really is determined by duplicating the especially complete number of coins that especially are right now available for use circling supply by the by and large current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by and by generally remains at $1 in 2024-42, which generally is genuinely huge. Considering that equation, we essentially have determined the, in every practical sense, current market capitalization of Dogecoin to sort of be at $17,543,996,696, which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among those especially present on the digital money market in a fundamentally large manner. Yesterday, on February 29, the market capitalization of Dogecoin for the most part remained at $16,702,945. Keep going week on February 23, the truly aggregate sum of really capital gave to Dogecoin for the most part was laid out at $12 of 4,838.74. The information from a month prior, enlisted on February 1, basically shows that Dogecoin by and large had a market capitalization of $11,391,173,826 in an unobtrusive manner. Absolute stock focuses to the quantity of coins that in a real sense have proactively been mined, stamped, or generally made and truly are either circling available or secured in engineers or alternately holders' chilly wallets, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The especially complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that truly have been singed put unavailable for general use to keep a sound expansion rate in an unobtrusive manner. It can by and large measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that sort of is public on the financial exchange, which certainly is very huge. The in every way that really matters, all-out supply of Dogecoin as of now remains at 143,284, 226,384 Doge, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As currently made sense of, the flowing stock basically is the most regularly involved measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to incredibly. It compares with the very best estimation of the kind of by and large number of coins that are public on cryptographic money trades and explicitly add to their liquidity, or so they really thought. Their volume doesn't actually incorporate the coins that in a real sense are vested, marked in especially brilliant agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or basically put unavailable for general use in a fundamentally huge manner. The coursing supply for the most part is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the securities exchange, showing how consequently, having basically a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto is essentially an unquestionable requirement for any broker and financial backer who by and large needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years incredibly especially. At the present time, the flowing stock of Dogecoin truly is assessed at 143,284. 226,384 Doge, showing how at the present time, the circling supply of Dogecoin generally is assessed at 143,284, 226,384 Doge. Over the beyond